Hello everyone, I am Ankush and here we are going to talk about the top 5 Android apps that you should have installed on your Android smartphone for this month. So let's get right into it. Our first pick is Polo Launcher. You might have heard about the popular launchers like Nova Launcher or Action Launcher. Well, it's similar, but it's refreshing. It offers the same level of functionality and features. You can customize the Iconpack if you don't like the default one, or you can customize your home screen, app drawer, and a lot more things just like any other launcher. And all of that you get just in about 10 MB of download size. It's definitely an impressive launcher, and if you want to change, this launcher is one what I would recommend you. Next up, we have App Hoarder. App Hoarder is an amazing app that lets you know about the paid games or apps that are available for free for a limited time. It's a handy little app which helps you save a lot of money and also saves you time. Do note that the app contains in-app advertisements. If that annoys you, you can donate a little something and get rid of those ads. You may not find a lot of apps listed, but still, it's useful. You can filter the app choices, what you want to search and what you want to be notified about, which type of apps are going for free. You can all set it here. So I definitely recommend you to have it installed. Next up, we have Ideano. Ideano is an interesting note-taking app and better than most of the ordinary note-taking apps. It lets you add text notes, voice notes, and you can add them as a reminder or maybe a note or just like a to-do list. Of course, if you own a Galaxy Note 9, this might not be the best app that you should have installed, but for the rest of the folks out there, it's a must-have app. You can see it in action here. It definitely is useful. You can add a text note, you can add a voice note, you can modify the note, you can add it as a to-do list, or maybe you can share it as well. It offers a lot of features and it's definitely useful. Now, moving on to our next app, that is an Iconpack, Ideano. I personally search for a lot of Iconpacks. Some are paid and some are free, and I regularly change them, but Ideano caught my eye. You get a lot of cool icons. You can either apply them with your launcher or you can individually customize the icons. It also offers a great deal of wallpapers which usually blend in with the icons they offer. You can play around with different launchers as it supports a lot of them. Here we tried Nova Launcher. Finally, moving on to our last app, that is Overdrop. Overdrop is a weather app and it's nothing like any other out there at the Play Store. It's simple but yet offers a lot of functionalities. Also, there's an AMOLED theme which very few weather applications offer. You need to upgrade it to the Pro version in order to access all of the widgets there, but trust me, it's worth it. In addition to that, you will also get rid of the in-app advertisements. So there we have the best 5 Android apps that you should have installed on your Android phone this month. Go check out the links to the apps mentioned in the video description down below. Hit like and subscribe. Stay tuned and stay awesome.